Hello kids, how are you? Let's learn some colors name. Green color, orange color, purple color, brown color, dark blue color, sky blue color, violet color, yellow color, red color, green color. Today we will try to learn some alphabets and numbers. A, B, C, D. 1, 2, 3, 4. A for aeroplane. B for butterfly. C for coffee. D for dolphin. E for elephant. F for fruits. G for grapes. H for hot. I for ink. J for jump. K for kiwi. L for lamp. M for monkey. N for news. O for olive. P for pillow. Q for queen. R for rainbow. S for school. T for teacher. U for universe. V for van. W for window. X for X-ray. Y for yum. Z for zero. Let's try to count some numbers. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.